Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Shervin TV. Today is January 9th, 2022. I want to say Happy New Year to everyone and I wish nothing but blessing for the new year. It's been almost a year now since I had a video upload, but this year I want to start uploading at least once a week. But the first dessert we're going to make for the year is bananas Foster. It is a wonderful dessert that only take about 5 minutes to make. It's easy ingredients. It's banana, brown sugar, butter, and definitely rum, and then ice cream. I have a video of how to make the candied walnuts that you can check out for this video. As you can see, you'll need to peel up the bananas. Then you can cut them in full length, or you can cut them in bias. It's all up to you. Just add the butter and brown sugar and wait till melt for about 2 minutes maximum. And you want to add the cinnamon stick and just keep stirring it until your brown sugar and your butter become caramel. And then with the rum, you don't have to buy an expensive rum. You can pretty much get any good quality rum at your liquor store. I know Bacardi got some good decent rum, but you don't have to have the bamboo. It's a little bit more expensive for that recipe. And then just add your bananas. You want to cook it for at least just a few seconds, maybe about less than 20 seconds to 30 seconds. It is doable. When you have a pan away from the fire, safety first, because if you do, then you're gonna get this big gulch of fire. We don't want that to happen. So let it flambe for a few seconds until the alcohol burn out. And then once you do, we're gonna do a little bit sprinkle of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Cook for a little bit, maybe another 10-15 seconds, and then we're gonna get a bowl with a nice scoop of ice cream. Use vanilla ice creams, but you can get any flavors ice cream you like, chocolate, it doesn't matter. You're just gonna change the flavors of the recipe. That's all up to you. So we're just gonna lay the bananas and the caramel around the bowl, and then we're gonna add the candied walnuts, crushed candied walnuts. So as I said, you can check out the video how to make the candied walnuts. It's easy, simple as well. So it's only take like 3 ingredients to make the candied walnuts, and then you can actually store it in dry storage for a later use. And then we're gonna garnish it with some mint. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.